Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. The business name, address, and phone must match your storefront and website exactly. Once done, sign into Google Business Profile with the account that already manages the listing. This prevents ownership conflicts. Make sure your category and eligibility meet Google's rules. No suspended accounts or service area-only businesses lacking a clear customer-facing address. Then select the listing and choose Verify. This initiates non-video methods like Postcard. Next, select the verification method Google offers for your listing. If Postcard is available, request it and expect delivery in 5 to 14 days. Do not change the listing address while waiting because that cancels the Postcard. If phone or email appears, request the code and enter it immediately. Check voicemail and spam folders. Once you receive a code, return to your profile, enter the code, and confirm details. If multiple options appear, choose the fastest secure route for your situation. To finish, enter the verification code exactly as shown and confirm your listing details, hours, address, and category, so search displays correctly. If a postcard doesn't arrive, wait 14 days then request a replacement. Double-check the mailing address for typos before ordering another. If phone or email fails, secure your account, try an alternate manager account, or use the help menu to contact support and request ownership transfer. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache and try incognito if codes or options don't appear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.